Good evening, all. Thank you for joining me. My name's Daniel Spoler. I'm the Senior Director, founder of the Project Pinball Charity. And tonight we have something special to raffle off. Well, two things, actually. We have the King Kong Limited Edition Pinball Machine. And then before we get to that raffle, we're going to do the Pro model raffle. And the nice thing about those is the winner gets to pick their selection of machine that we could get from Stern. So with the King Kong coming out, you could get the King Kong Pro. You could get maybe an older title like Godzilla Pro, John Wick Pro, anything like that. Even the James Bond, I think, is available still. So you could get that Pro model as well. But before we get to it, I want to say thank you to everyone out there that allows us to continue our charity's mission to help more and more families out there through pinball. We place pinball machines in children's hospitals, Ronald, McDonald homes, and special needs classes, and more. We definitely have a broad scope with what we do with our mission when it comes to placing pinball machines. And again, we want to say thank you to everyone out there that allows us to do these great things through our charity. So tonight, since I am still on the road, we're going to have to do the sheets like you've seen in the past. Here's the Pro model, which we're going to raffle off first. You can see all the 200 entries are listed there corresponding with the names, and then you can see the random generator that we have picked. Just select for this Pro model. And then we will switch to the King Kong Limited Edition number 4, and we will do the same thing. It has all 200 entries on the sheet, which we'll go through, and then we have its own random generator separate from the Pro one. That way the number that we picked will be specific to each one, and everybody has a fair chance to do that. So we're going to switch back to the first page, and we're going to start the raffle on the Pro. So let me get set up with the controls here. I'm going to switch over to the controls, and you can see the number generator right here. It goes from 1 to 200. So if you want to do a drum roll, let's hear it. And here we go. We're going to find out who's going to be the lucky winner of the Pro machine. Looks like number 81 was picked. So let me get to our first sheet. Well, that's our second sheet. So let's get to our first sheet. And 81 was the number that we picked. Let me get to the second page. Looks like it's on the second page here. And it looks like Jason Schroeder. Jason Schroeder, you are our winner of the Pro model pinball machine. And like I was saying before, you get to pick any model that we could get from Stern. So winner's choice. So congratulations to Jason. So let's get set up on the next sheet. Okay, I'm going to switch over. No, it seems like the number generator was switched, so you guys never had a chance to see that. I apologize. It was for the other page, but as you can see here, the number generator was picked 81, as you heard me do the commentary. So I apologize. We do have to tag these separate on each sheet, and I thought I had it properly done, and obviously I didn't. But as you can see, the number generator picked 81. I apologize for that. So let's switch over to the number generator for the King Kong LE. So let me get prepared for that. Okay, the number generator, tell you what, I better switch over the camera so you could see the other one, and then I'll switch back to the sheet. I switched to this page so you could see the number generator. So let's switch back and I could gain control. You could see it's 1 to 200, and all of a sudden we're going to hit generate here again. Drum roll. Let's see who our lucky winner. This is going to be for the King Kong limited edition machine. It looks to be 11. So there we go. We're going to switch back to our controls, and I'm going to switch the page over so you can see the King Kong. So do not pay attention to 81. Our number is 11 because, like I said, we had the switch to 2. So it's going to be 11. So let me gain access to my sheet. And it's going to be on the front page for everyone to see. And it looks like Tony Fields right here. Tony Fields is our winner of the King Kong limited edition. So to our winners, let me go back to my cameras. There we go. So our winners will be contacted tomorrow to go through the whole process on how they're going to receive their machines. The King Kong LA for Tony, and Jason's going to be picking the choice. Will be picking his game of choice, and they will be shipped right to their doors. Again, I apologize with me being on the road. I try to do the best that I can. We had the number generator switch, so if you want to go back through and verify that through the video. But I apologize for that, and I want to conclude by saying thank you very much for everyone out there that helps us with our continuing mission. And everybody have a good night. Thank you.